Keep recording, because we could insert some bloopers too.
Yeah.
We're at 392 and we're back with another video. If you are new, don't forget to leave without hitting that subscribe button and notification bell.
Today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how we wear our Salt Armor face shields. Before we get started, I'll let you guys know, this is my little sister Amaya.
Hi.
And she's going to be showing the ladies how she wears her Salt Armor face shield. And I'm going to be showing the guys how I wear my Salt Armor face shield. Here we go.
scrunchy style.
No, I can't. I don't have any hair.
And then
Like a beard.
Like this, you gotta pull through. You grab this side and grab this side, and you pull it through. And you see how right there it's a scrunchie. And you just roll it around. See? Now you just put your hair through there.
Okay. Yeah.
Y'all a lot of hair.
Not funny. You're not funny.
Oh, then you turn to the side. Look like that. Look like that.
It's coming off.
It works.
Ways of how to do
Wear your salt armor face shields.
armor face shield.
Thanks for
Comment
watching.
below. Comment
Well, she
below.
knows what she's doing. Say it again.
You don't listen to scripts.
blooper.
Burn.
But we're still recording though. Like, hello everybody. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why I said it that way.
Because you're doing
If
it
you're
too
new,
fast.
alright, cut it. What you doing now?
A joke.
You're not in the frame of mine.
You're not in the frame.
Oh.
This is Octane Red 392, and welcome back to our. I messed up already. This is what you get used to.
Okay. Hand. This one.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
This is a joke, by the way, guys. She's doing for you guys, so.
Hand up. Hand up.
Okay.
All right.
What is this on your hand?
That is my wedding ring.
Okay, remember that word.
Okay, got it.
Thumbs.
Thumbs.
Together.
Okay.
Now say that word 10 times.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Oh my God. Okay, guys. See you guys.
This is Octane.
No.
This is Octane Red 392, and we are back.
Today we're going to be showing you a video on how to wear face shields. Before we get started, this is my little sister Amaya,
Hi.
and we're going to show you guys how.
This is Octane Red 392, and we're back.
Okay, so leave a comment down in the comment section on how you wear yours, and we'll be sure to respond to those ASAP. Thanks for checking out our tutorial on the way we wear our face shields, and let us know next time. See you guys next time.
Bye. You never say bye. Rude.